So hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Information Sam. Welcome to the episode 1 of Guide for the Gamers. So as you know, I've started the series only for the gamers who wanted to produce the content on YouTube but don't have a proper thumbnails and all. So I'll be teaching you in this series. So today we are making a thumbnail, this thumbnail. So how it is looking, let me know. So let's start. So first let's open the KineMaster and open your recorded gameplay. So I'm gonna snap this pose. So I'm gonna capture and save. So I'm going to ESCC and selecting the polygon tool, which is the pen tool. I'm using the mouse to cut this because my hands are a bit thick, so I couldn't cut properly, so that's why I'm using a mouse by connecting OTG. So you might have lots of patience to do this work, and this is the main thing to do in the thumbnail is cutting. So be patient and do it carefully. And one thing you might remember is in this cutting tool you won't have any undo option, so please be careful. After that you're gonna click on plus and click on plus and layer from selection, and next you're gonna take an empty layer and a photo layer, and I'm gonna take this. The link is in the description. Download all the assets I've given in Mediafire link, so check it out guys. So afterwards go to the empty layer session and fill in stroke color and take a dark red. So afterwards click on opacity. The linear dodge is so light, so let us take darken and reduce the opacity to 84%. So next let us click on the PNG and click fill and stroke and type is stroke. So you're gonna take red stroke with a bit 8. I think 6 is the better option. So click on the glow and choose the pink one. Pink one will attract more the thumbnails. So click on pink and increase the blur edges. Oh, I forgot one thing. So click on the duplicate layer, so you will find two PNGs, and on the first one select fill and wait a second. Oh my god. Click on fill and stroke and type is stroke. You're gonna increase to 6 or 7. Kept for 10 is enough for me. And click on the glow, select pink, and the main part is this. You're gonna click on glass and you're gonna correct which will be suitable for your thumbnail. So this is not good, so let us check it out. Not getting satisfied with this effect, so you're gonna click on scale option. Wait a second, I'll be doing it. So click on the scale option. So the scale option, after adjusting it looks much better. So click on this particles, which have also gave this link in description. So better you might download all the photos, so we don't know which one will be useful. So I've added blue light overlay to it, and I've kept in 3 different places. One is left, right, and top corner. So kept in top right corner. So now our character is not visible, so that we'll keep our character all the above layers. So, so every time the character should be in the topmost layer, so that any overlay won't object the character PNG. So next, let us take this particles overlay, add a screen transform and change it aside. So next, let us take a white particle, which I forgot to take this, and our red color, no, that's why I kept red flames, so which give more professional look to our thumbnail. So I'm checking for, where is it, yeah, I found it. So again, add screen, go to the layer section, blend section, and where is it, yeah, go to the layer section, blend section, and click on the screen and keep it any side which you are feeling comfortable, and how the way your thumbnail is looking professional. And I'll be taking this PNG, so now our thumbnail looking quite decent. So next, let us jump into the pixel lab. So you're gonna click on that layer section and click on black, select black color and click on text option, and I'm gonna write unstoppable. So take any font which is clean and clear, and which is a bit big, bolder text. So unstoppable, this become a bit big, so LP. So I forgot, you need to click on transparent and save it. So how to add a glossy text is, first click on select pixels, afterwards mode minus, and click how I will show you. Go to the gradient section and go to selection tool and select the particular color you want and reduce it to 50 or 40 brightness. Again, select the same color, you will get the best look. And now what you're gonna do is hide the black layer and click on done, save, and you wanna simply save to the gallery in a PNG format. Afterwards, click on the previous project which we have been saved it, and click on photo layer and which the text which we have edited it. So afterwards, click on the rectangular selection tool. Click on rectangular selection tool and select single word and transform it to your desired place. So afterwards, I'm gonna select unstoppable and I'm gonna transform it. So now it is looking pretty decent. So now we are going to add glow one. So it is better to add black color glow than any other colors. It gives the best look to your thumbnail. So afterwards, simply click on done. Any steps left? Yeah, click on done and save it to your gallery.